Hello, welcome to Sheila's Quick and Easy. Tonight is really going to be easy because I'm going to do franks and beans. I like Hebrew National, so does my husband. So I'm going to start with opening them up. And we also like...
What are we cooking?
Pork and beans and franks.
Okay.
We're going to use Bush's country style. Okay. But we're going to kick it up a little bit. Right? First I'm going to open up the Bush's country style. Just open it up. It works. It works, people. It really does. I don't know what's... And, as you know, I have my sugar and my cinnamon out to put in my beans. A lot of people don't. I mean, you know, my mother said if you like something, you got to do it to your liking. I'm going to put the beans in there first. I got all the beans in here. Here you go. Gonna go over and don't swallow me to drink. Go over and throw this in the bag. Have the beans in there. Then I'm gonna turn on the fire to almost low. Then I'm gonna add the sugar. Y'all know I don't measure anything. I really don't. But tonight I will. I won't even exaggerate. Because I don't want you to make them too sweet. So I'm gonna put about this much sugar, which is 1/4 cup of sugar, into the beans. There you go. Then I'm gonna take cinnamon. Some cinnamon. McCormick, whatever kind of cinnamon you have, use it. And I'm gonna shake about 3 or 4 times. Shake 3 or 4 times and just 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I'm gonna get the spoon and I'm gonna stir it around so it can go all through the beans. See that? That's how the sugar works. Take my favorite plate. Cover it up. That's just a quick one for you guys who are in college at home. Bored, do it like this. Then I'm gonna get some cooking oil. I seen this on a cooking show, and I didn't think it could be done because it was done at a store, at the restaurant. Right, I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna make sure it gets hot though. Make sure your grease get really hot. While that's happening, I'm gonna put my what you call my wing. And I also have chili. For y'all who wants this on your hot dog, this is chili I had in the freezer. Now, see, chili. Not a lot. My husband is gonna eat this tonight. I'm gonna put this. I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. After I get the grease hot. The grease has to be hot. Cause all I wanna do is pop it in there a couple of times. It'll start to bubble, and it'll taste like Coney Island. For y'all who never been to New York, go to Coney Island. Got the best franks, the best frog legs, the best everything. Got one on the boardwalk though. Go to Coney Island, you have a good time. So here's my franks. My Nathan Franks, right? Go over and get a plate to put them on because when they cook, they're gonna cook fast. You know I don't like to use real plates. So let me use these. I'm gonna test these out. Nope, not hot enough. But anyway, you know I bought these because they was on sale. I don't buy nothing that's not really on sale. Put my sugar up. Why is it so hot? Put my sugar up. Take and put my cinnamon up. Check on my beans, which is slowly but surely getting done. And when I put these franks in here, you will see, you know, because we usually put some water in it and bubble. That takes too long. Takes too long. Okay? I'm gonna cover these up, turn that on real low. Now I can put my franks. Get them sizzling. How many franks you want to do?
I'll take 2.
Hear that? My sister said I fry everything. But she was right, so I stopped frying everything. I fried, this is the first thing I fried all week. I'm sick for 2 weeks. Have I been frying stuff? No. She said, and I do need to eat more healthy. But we hungry. We want quick and easy.
Yeah.
And fast. So that's what I'm doing, frying the franks. Because it won't take all night to do that. Where's my fork? Turn the beans off because they're ready. Just let them fry. And that's what I'm doing, let them fry. They're gonna be so good. You guys are gonna love it. Because you didn't have to work 20 hours for the bowl and all that. You really didn't. Couple of minutes for them to fry. Last night I should have came on because I made, what did I make? What did I make last night, Jerome?
Oh my God, I forgot.
A meatloaf.
Meatloaf, yeah, you're right. Meatloaf.
Well, this week I'll be on all week. Number one, I'm bored. And I talked to my nephew Justin this morning. Hey, Just Buzz. And he, you know, don't know how to cook. So I told him to go on my station and I'll help anybody out. They gotta get a little crispier. And it'll be easy for y'all because it is easy. Go get any type of franks you want. You can do, what's the other kind of franks they have?
You got what? You got
ballpark franks.
Yep.
What's that? You know,
Oscar Mayer.
Yeah. Oscar Mayer is one of the top ones.
Yeah.
Right? But you can do those. You can even do this with a knockwurst. Fried knockwurst.
Knockwurst? You talking about knockwurst?
Yeah, knockwurst.
Okay.
You can do it with that.
Okay.
Anything that's gonna, I understand, guys. I understand you don't want to do all this cooking, but I'm making it really quick and really easy so you guys can know how to do it. It's really quick, really easy. And you just, look at these. Look at them. Couple more seconds and you can take them out. Now I'm gonna go over here with the, what is this?
The chili.
Chili for my husband. I'm gonna put this in the microwave.
Forgive us.
Yes, because I'm tired. Put this on for 1 minute. Let it do its thing. Put these little tricks I have back in the freezer. Just like that. And now, oh yeah.
They almost done?
Yeah, they done. They done. See that? Now I'm gonna put on a paper towel so it can dry, the grease can dry out of it. My sister, every time I cook, she gotta get a paper towel. Yeah, that's too much butter. So I listen to her because she's right, and I'm trying to lose the weight. But I've learned how to tone down on what I eat. Right? That's that. Right? That's the franks. And here is the beans. 15 seconds. I don't even, how long was that, Jerome?
Roughly 30 seconds, 15 seconds, something like that.
It's called Sheila's Quick and Easy. Then get your mustard with your sauerkraut. with your chili, with your whatever you want to put on your franks. Tastes good, girl. I'm gonna plate something up for you.
Yummy.
And my greedy husband.
Yummy.
Is saying yummy.
Mine on mine. Oh, that's mine. Oh, that's mine. Okay.
They look at this kid. Here's the chili. Here's the chili.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going to
Oh, your chili there. Yep.
get these beans on the plate. I got the wrong spoon for this. Let me get the other spoon.
Gotta get the bigger spoon.
Yes, I do. The bigger spoon. Is that enough?
Yep.
This is my husband. He loves beans and franks. Now, I'll put these 2 hot dogs on there. Sorry, I did not mean to do that.
Yeah, no problem.
With that, cover it up. Now, there's this chili. Oh, I got some buns in here. Oh, I got some buns in here. What happened to the buns? Here they go.
Found them?
That's the buns. Oh, that's the hamburger buns.
Yeah, that's the hamburger. Yep.
Look at the frank buns. Here they go.
You got them? Okay.
Yep, I got it. Okay. Got some buns. Got some buns. See?
Got them.
And your meal's complete.
Oh, cool.
You finished. You are finished cooking. 30 minutes, I don't know how long that took.
Roughly 20, 25 minutes.
20, 25 minutes, you didn't
Roughly.
finish.
Actually, no. According to this timer here, it's 12 minutes, actually.
12 minutes. Quick and easy. People don't think this is a big deal.
I don't know why I was getting 20 minutes for. I don't know.
People don't think this is a big deal, but it is. Because some people just don't know how to boil an egg. Or fry eggs.
Yeah.
Well, this week I'm gonna kind of be on here every day if my husband's willing to do this and show y'all how to do quick and easy things. And you know, God bless. Have a good evening. Peace.